What's up, people? This is Reese Ryan. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you something that's pretty cool. This is something that I built a long time ago. It's supposed to be a paper airplane that flies. It's RC. So we're going to get in right now to how I built this and how to rebuild a frame if you've crashed it. So I'll probably do a separate video on how to do all the soldering for this specific little airplane, because all you have to do is solder on extensions and some onto the board. Let's get into this video. Hey, this is Future Reese, and I'm going to show you right away, right now, what you can use and what you can't use and how to do it. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to unsolder your back motors. You're not using your front, so you can just unsolder those and get rid of them. You can check the card to the top right, or maybe the left for me, so check the card, it'll show you how to solder. Now, once you have these unsoldered, you're going to have to solder on connections, just like I did with the ESC and motor in my soldering video. So you're going to solder on little extensions like this, and just for reference, so those extensions are really short, but they're long enough to get across the airplanes, which I'll show you the dimensions of in a minute. So what you cannot use is controllers like these that have a sticky throttle, basically, that will hold it in the middle. Those are cheating ones. You need ones that look like this. They have a throttle where you do full control, just like this one that already comes with this drone. Ishin E010s look fine and work fine, but you cannot use controllers like this. They have a sticky throttle, they just don't work. Or drones that have or go with these controllers. Show you another example. No, won't work. Only controllers like this or like this. And why I say that is because it's more like the real thing. Like the real thing and like the real thing. So that's why I say that. And it gives you way more control. All you need to know is you have the right props on, and they're both spinning the opposite way. They're either both spinning in or they're both spinning out. And make sure they're blowing backwards. So now let's get onto the dimensions. So here are your dimensions. I have a tape measure right here, and we're going to measure this really quick. So there you go. That is, so you know the dimensions. You can draw this out. You can screenshot it if you want and size it to whatever size this paper is. And just so you know, I just went and poked holes through the paper. So as you can see there, there's holes. Bing bing, marks goes to the end, and then that's the little hole, and that's there. Let's get back in the time lapse.
March winds and April showers make way for sweet lake flowers, and then comes
I have this pretty much done, and all I have to do now is peel this stuff off. So right now I'm going to show you how this works and how to do it. I have my hot glue gun here all ready to go, and here's my airplane parts. So right away we're going to glue it on like that, and we're going to glue the circuit board on the top. So let's get right into it. So to start off, we are going to glue the bottom onto the top. You're going to make sure that this is on the right, not the left, and then you're going to flip it over to the bottom, and you're going to grab this, and we're going to glue it right about here. And not too much, just kind of a skimpy amount, enough to hold it on there. So get it right in the center on the front, right center on the front and back. Mine's almost dry, but I'm just going to go the extra way. Make sure mine lasts long, so I'm going to put a little tack here, and a little bit of tack there, and tack it here, 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 That'll just help it so it will last just a little bit longer. So now we're almost done already. All we have to do now is put tape there and put the motor on top with the control board. So right away, I'm going to put a tiny dab of glue right on the bottom. I'm going to slap it on top. You want to make sure it's straight. You want to make sure it's almost center, but you want to make sure it's really straight. So it's on there good, and now all I have to do is put my motors here and here, tape, and then we can go fly this thing pretty much. The propeller is free of movement. You can do that by blowing. Repeat this on this side. And again, a tiny dab on both ends. Now we're all done. You can put your hot glue gun aside.
Grab a knife and take 2 little slots in the back. I'm going to do it just because. Just a little slot here, little slot here, and a little slot here, and a little cut here.
And we're all done the airplane. Now all that's left to do is grab our batteries and tape them in. Make sure you get it on the opposite side and then put it across. Now you can grab your battery and go fly. So thank you for watching my video on how to make that little paper airplane that's an RC, and subscribe, it's free. Also, you want to ring the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So thank you for doing that, and thank you for commenting. If you want to, you can go ahead and do that. Comment on whatever you want to comment on. Give me questions, I'll answer them. Thank you for subscribing. Bye.